This is the elevator at 547 Sawmill River Road in Ardsley, New York.
Oh wow, this is newer. Dover in-house. Look at that.
Kind of was hoping for something older, but you get what you get and you don't get upset.
That is true.
Oh, it has the bumper on it too.
It does.
This is nice.
I was expecting something older than this one, but this one looks older. It's got a newer elevator, which is kind of funny.
Mm-hmm.
Nice one though.
It is.
Oh, 3 floors. Okay.
There's Wesley.
There's Gabe. You know what I noticed? This elevator doesn't go all the way to the bottom floor. I saw a sign saying lower level.
Maybe there could be another elevator.
Possibly.
We'll have to check that out.
There's your phone.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. These are motion activated lights. That's cool.
That will be it.
I want to show the